Hey everyone! In this video, I'd like to show you how audience segmentation works on Fibr. This will be used across Fibr's testing and personalization features. Proceed by clicking on Create Audience. A pop-up will appear, presenting different audience rules. Here, you'll define which segment of the audience will view this particular variant. Let's delve into the available rule types. Click on Select Rule Type to unveil a range of options. We'll guide you through each one. The first rule is straightforward: all visitors. This means that every visitor to your website will see the variant you're creating. Next up, we have the UTM parameters rule. This rule allows you to select a UTM source, medium, campaign, content, or term. It offers the flexibility to set these parameters to be any or none of, depending on your specific needs. Feel free to name the rule as you wish. For instance, test. Once it's named, the newly created link along with the UTM parameters will be displayed below. You also have the option to add another rule here. This functions as an AND parameter, implying that incoming audiences must meet both the rules to be classified into this specific audience. Now, let's discuss the behavior rule. With this rule, you can personalize the site differently for first-time visitors and repeat visitors. Here, I'll show you how to set the rule such that the variant is shown only to new visitors. Next, to set up the variant for repeat visitors, you can define the rule as granular as the number of visits by the user. So now, the audience rules we have defined here include a UTM parameter and a behavior rule, which indicates that this variant will be seen only by visitors who are viewing the site for the third time. The next rule we'll explore is device category. This rule is quite simple. You can select whether the variant is to be seen by visitors using a desktop, mobile, or tablet. The final rule we'll explore is technology. Here, you can select the browser or operating system the visitor is using to access your website. For instance, if I select browser and choose any, I'm given the option to select a single or multiple browsers. Let's take operating system as another example. You can make equivalent selections here too. This allows you to create a rule for users of Chrome, Safari, or iOS. Next, let's explore the rule for location, one of the most frequently used rules on Fibr. This rule enables you to segment your website visitors based on their geographical location, such as city, state, or country. You could specify a city like New York or directly specify a country, such as Australia, or even a state. These settings in place, any visitor from New York, Australia, or California who has made 3 visits and has a UTM source equal to test will be shown this specific variant. To remove any rule, simply click on the delete icon. None of the provided URL parameters meet your requirements. You have the flexibility to create a custom parameter. For instance, let's create a parameter called influencer and assign it the value John. Now, as you can see, the link includes your custom URL parameter, influencer, char John, along with UTM source test. If you've set your audience rules, you can rename this specific audience set if you wish by clicking on the pencil icon. After making your changes, click Save.